to my channel. It's Ron K.
I juice every week, so every Sunday I juice. I actually hadn't juiced in a while. I feel like that's why I was kind of breaking out. I talk about juicing. I think I talked about this in my skincare video a while back, but juicing is really what helps my skin. Like, juicing has changed the way my skin looks, my skin texture. I don't really like eating my veggies because sometimes I don't know how to cook the veggies properly. So I just much rather drink my veggies. A lot of people have a lot of different views on juicing. I noticed that since I started juicing probably like 2 years ago, and I definitely feel like that is one thing that has changed my skin overall. Like my skin, I can tell the difference when I don't have my juice than when I do. So what I do is I juice one time every Sunday. My friend who sells juice told me that technically after day 3 the nutrients are not there, but I'm not gonna lie, I just cannot think about juicing. Juicing is a process for me. I got my juicer from the TikTok shop. It was $60. I used to have a Nama J2 juicer. I don't want to talk about it. It was a child of divorce. Keep all my juicy stuff up here. So I just basically, this is some leftover from last week. Actually, I'll probably drink this. I don't like wasting juice because it's hard work, but I put all of it in this big mason jar for the whole week. And I basically, let me show you. Every morning when I wake up, before I do anything, this is my first drink of the day. I take it, I pour it in a glass, and I drink it on an empty stomach. And when I went to Cancun, I had green juice and I needed to know the recipe, and I just took a very regular green juice recipe and I started juicing, and I really like it, and I drink it every day because it's my little side of veggies. Okay, let me show you the ingredients. I use probably a whole bunch of green apples. I only use green ingredients obviously for the green juice. I use about 7 apples, 1 2 3 4 5. I think I have a couple in there, so I'm going to use these immediate. The reason why I juice them is because if you leave this in the fridge by next week and you don't juice every week, your vegetables gonna be spoiled. And I noticed that my vegetables were always spoiling because I wasn't actually cooking them. So this is my idea of being smart with your vegetables. Bag of kale. I use like maybe like half a bag of, like a full bag of kale, but since this is half a bag, I'm gonna use another half a bag. I use about 3 lemons. It really depends. Every formula is different. Like every time I make it differently. I've noticed that I really like it when it has a lot of apples in it because it's sweet, but it doesn't have to have a lot of apples. So I use like 3 lemons, like 3 sprigs of celery, half a cucumber, a bag of baby spinach, ginger. I add a little bit of mint and then I put it in the juicer. So let's juice. Let's juice. Oh, I have a mango. All right. I'm gonna put my juicer together. Yeah, I love this TikTok shop juicer. I wish I was a TikTok shop person. I wish I could get into all these things because low key, this juicer is actually so nice. It's $60 and it has lasted me 2 years with no problems. Like, and it's very easy cleanup. Like right after I juice, I have to wash it. That's the only thing that I have realized. And I just put it together. I have this part that locks in. This part, oh, sorry. This part locks in here. There we go. And then it also has 2 cups. 1 cup here, 1 cup here. And of course, before I do any of this, I'm gonna wash my vegetables. Because we all know we don't want any type of problem, or they are recalling food like this, and me, I'm here juicy. Hey. And I actually like this juicer because you can literally put the whole apple in there. But let me make sure I put my spinach. Stop it. Stop it right now. Leave that trash can alone. I'm gonna just add it to this juice because this juice didn't finish. It melts. So I use my sieve actually. That's why I like that it has a spout, because you can just spout it out. I just add it to this juice. Usually the vegetables don't have that much stuff. It's usually the fruits, but I like sieving it so that it's as, I know everybody's like the nutrients, please, everybody has different ways. I just know that these vegetables enter my body somehow, some way. Okay, thanks. Okay, let me continue. I also like adding mint, because cucumber, mint, lime. Okay, the one from Kava is like one of my favorites. So for the lemon, I'm very lazy with all this cutting and stuff. Don't cut anything else but the lemon. Literally, the lemon is the only thing I cut. I usually put some in the popsicle molds, like if I have any left over from the juice. That's the only way Amari actually drinks his juice. So I guess it's good for kids to do that too.